Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. A client reached out to me today because I had recently installed Act software on one of her employees' computers. And she told me that employee could not see the calendar and the information needed for the two of them. So what I realized is when I installed the software, I neglected to change a setting. So I want to show her how to change that setting on her own. It's actually very simple. So when you're looking at a calendar as a user, the assumption is made that typically you want to see your stuff, just the stuff you've created and put on your calendar. In this case, because she also needs to see the other person's calendar, you have to select that person. So let me show you how you do that. All you do is you come up here and click on Select Users. If you have multiple people in your database and you want to see everyone, you click on All Users and you'll see everyone's calendar when you click OK. So everyone in your database, in your system, you'll see everyone's items, and typically you don't necessarily need that. For just the two of you, you can click on All Users. However, if there's a time where you want just selected users, click on any contact, and then you can click on different contacts in this list to choose who you want to see. And when you click OK, you'll see all of their items that appear on the calendar. Having said that, they have had to share that setting with you, but that's another discussion. So all you do is you come up and click on Select Users and select the users whose calendars you want to see. If there's just two of you, just click All Users and you'll be good to go. And that's how it works. Thank you, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to help you out. Be well.